Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. So last class numbers I have given up to 800. So today I'll give it as homework. Okay, children. Numbers you should write from 801 to 900. Okay. So one more 901 to 1000. So you complete this and I will start addition. I have completed addition. I'll start subtraction. Okay, children. So copy this and complete your homework. Write neatly. Okay. So you should write from 801 to 900, 901 to 1000. So this is your homework today. So tables are completed up to 6 ones. Yes, no children? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last class we completed 2-digit numbers addition. So today we'll go for subtraction. So first I'll give 3 sums. Okay, children. So as I told, what you should start from ones place. So 6 in addition means plus. This is subtraction minus. Subtraction symbol will be minus. Okay, children. Subtraction symbol will be minus. So addition means 6 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. You used to write 9. So here subtraction 6 minus 3. How you will do? You are having 6 fingers, so you will do. Yes, no children, 6 fingers. Cut 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. So what I will teach now? 6 minus 3. So 11 minus 5 means how will you do? See if it is 11 minus 5. How will you do 11? You are having 11 fingers? No. So what you should do? Here, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to what number is there? No, we have to count. So your number answer will be 6. So here I'll teach. See, here I taught you as cut fingers. 6 fingers. Cut 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. So what I taught like that? No, see here. 3. Here 6. So after 3, this question is there. No, after 3. 4, 5, 6. Up to which number is there? No. Up to there if you count, answer will come 3. So now you count 9 cut fingers, 2. So you are having 9 fingers, you can cut 2. 9 cut 2 means 7. See, I'll show you. 9 fingers, cut 2 fingers, 1, 2. So your answer is 7. So what I'll teach you, no, 2. 2 after 2 up to 9. What number is there? No, you have to stop there and see here 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9. So how many fingers are there? 7. Like that only. Now you do 1. Here 5. 5 minus 1. So after 1, up to 5 only you should count. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 4. Now you check up. 5 fingers, cut 1 fingers, 4. Like that only. 8 minus 1. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 7. See, 8 minus 1, 7. Like that only. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Up to 7 only. So your answer will be 3. So 2-digit number. Now I will teach you one more. See, now 3 minus 5. In 3, can you cut 5 fingers? No. What you should do? You should borrow from tens number. See, this is ones, this is tens. So, 3 fingers, cut 5 fingers. You can't. So, what you should do? You should borrow from 8. So, if you borrow, so you should borrow from here. So, if I borrow in 8, cut 1. You should borrow. So, it will become 7. So, here it will become 1. So this will be 13. So I will written here only children. See 13. Okay. See 13. 13 minus 5. You are having 13 fingers. No. What you should do? What I told after 5. See here it will become 7. You may think how 7 came. Here why 1 came. You should borrow. See here 3. In 3 you can't cut 5 fingers. So you should borrow from before this number. So when you borrow from this number 8. 1 you will borrow. So from 8. In 8, if you borrow 1, it will become 7. So it will become 1. So 1, 3, it will become 13. So in 13, minus 5. In 13, you are having 13 fingers? No. So you are having only 10 fingers. So 13 minus, you don't put like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should not put this. That method is wrong. So 13 fingers, it is not there. You should not put one line and all. So after 5, up to 13. You should count up to 13. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 8. You only check now. 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 minus 5, 8. Now 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, how much? 6 after 1? 7. So your answer is 18. So this is also like that only. In 2, can you cut 6 fingers? No. So in 2 fingers, you can't cut 6. What you should do? You should borrow 1. If you borrow 1, in 9, 1 goes means 8. So you should cut this, and 1 will go here. So it will become 12. So it will become 12. 12 minus 6. You are having 12 fingers? No. So 12, 6 afterwards, up to 12 you should count. 6 afterwards, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 6. 8 minus 6. So what remaining fingers it is there? No, that answer only you have to write. So 12 fingers it is not there. So from 6 you should count. 6 afterwards, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer is 6. Like that only 8 minus 6. You are having 8 fingers, cut 6 fingers. So you will get answer 2. Yes, no? So what I'll say? After 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 26. So here 0 minus 8. You are having 0. So in minus 8 can you do what? If here 0 it is there, you can borrow. See, you should borrow here. You should borrow. It will become, in 8, 1 if we take here it will become 7. So, in 8 fingers, 1 it goes means 7. So, 1 here, it becomes, what it will become here? What is this? What is this? It is 10. 1, 0, 10. You are having 10 fingers. Cut 8 fingers. 2. 8 afterwards, 9, 10. So, 2 fingers. See, if it is 0 here up means, you can borrow. You can borrow. So if 0 is there, if you borrow, it will become 10. Okay, if it is 1, 0, you can't borrow here. Okay, you can't borrow here. So if it is up means you can borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 afterwards, 9, 10, 2. 7 minus 2. You are having 7 fingers, minus 2. 1, 2, 5. Here, 2 afters, I'll teach 2 methods also. 2 afters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much you got the answer? 5. Once again, I'll teach. See. 7 minus 2. 2 it is there. 2 afters, up to 7 you should count. 2 afters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 7 only because 7 is here. So, how much you got answer? 5. So, subtraction first I thought direct answer. Now you should borrow. In addition, carry sum. If 2 number comes here, you will put 1 carry here. You will write. Here you should borrow. Before number what it is there, you should borrow 111. Okay. 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, like that. When we start the class works, no, at that time I'll teach you children one by step by step. So here 2 digit number. So we have completed this. Now here see, here it was 0. Yes, no. If you 0 minus 1, if you take borrow, no, it will become 10. As I told, it will become 10. If it is 6 minus 0, if you borrow here, it will become 16. Can you cut 10, 16, 0? No, you should not borrow. If below 0 it is there, means you should not borrow. Okay. If above 0 it is there, if you borrow 1, it will become 10. If you are below 0 it is there, not down, you should not borrow, children. If above, here it is there, means upper, you should borrow 1. So if you borrow 1 for 0, if you add 1, it will become 10. See, if 0 is there, if you borrow 1, it will become 10. Yes, no? Here you can't write. Now I can borrow like this? No. So 6 minus 0. In 6 fingers cut 0. What answer I should write? You only say what answer? So I can write direct 6 answer. 9 minus 4. 5. See here. 4. After 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9. So, answer is 5. Yes, no, children? Answer is 5. See here, 4. Up to 9 you should count. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, answer is 5. Let's copy down this. If now you finish subtraction, now we'll go for multiplication. Multiplication means it's a tables, multiply. So multiplication is this symbol. Addition, I told plus. Subtraction, minus. This is multiplication. If it comes means tables. First I'll teach one digit only. We'll go from 2 ones are. Okay. So first I'll teach this after 2 steps. Okay, 2-digit number. So you should start from here only. So this is tables. From this table only, for this number you should multiply. So 2 ones are 2. Up to what number it is here? 3. Up to 2 3s are 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2, see here, from 2, first you should take one number only, from 2, 2 3s are 6. See, I'll write and show here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So, this tables, it is real question. 2 3s are how much? 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are. Once again, you should do from this tables only. You should not write 4 2s are, 3 2s are. You should not do. This is table. So 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So you got the answer. 2 4s are 8. Like that only. 3 1s are 3 up to 6. Count up to 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. You will write 18 like this. If you write like this, it is wrong. See here, 1 digit it came. So you wrote direct answer. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 digit. Here 2 digit it is there. 2 digit. If 2 digit, answer is correct. 18. 3 6 are 18. But you should not write direct answer. What you should do? In addition, I taught no. 1 carry, you should see 18. This is ones, this is tens. This is ones, this is tens. So 3, 6 are 18. Ones place what it is? 8. Tens place 1 carry. Okay, so like addition only, but you should do multiplication come addition. So 3 nines are how much? Say 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Can I write here 27? No, plus 1 it is there. 3 nines are 27, plus 1, 28. Your answer will be like this. See. 3 6 are 18. Here 8. 1 carry here. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. This plus 1 if you write. 7 plus 1 8. 2. So I have written 28. Got no children? 288 your answer. Now I'll go for two digit number. So we'll go for 4 ones. Okay, children? 4 ones, 2 ones. How will you write here? See here, question is 2. So 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Here 3, here second, see here direct answer. Yes, no, here direct answer. Here 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 2 number it came. So 1 carry here. 3 nines are 27 plus 1 28. Here see 1 number. Here it is 2 number, 2 digit number. So first which number you should take for tables? Which table you should say? So we should start from right side, ones place. So you should 2 sevens are. This is into. You should not write 2 fours are 8. No. This is afterwards, children. Second step. First, you should go from this step. 2 sevens are, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are how much? See here. 2 sevens are 14. 2 number it came. See, 2 sevens are 14. 4 I'll write here, 1 carry here. Once again, you should go from 2 ones only because one more number is there. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15. So this is your answer. No, here one more table is there. See here, one more table is there. First we should do from one table. See, only one table I took. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15. So one step completed. Second step when you want to write, I know third standard your ma'am taught 0. No. Second step when you start, put plus. It will be easy for you. Put 1, if 2 digit number means 1 plus. Next one more number is there means 2 plus. So next class I'll teach that. So 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. See here, 4 sevens are 28. 28 it comes means 8 in this number. 8 here 2 carry. See here, 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. Okay, this 2 carry I have written. You may think 1 carry. This is first step. Here completed. First step, it has been completed. Okay, children. This first step, it has been completed. So here, 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. Once again, 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry, 3. So your answer is 3030. Because 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry, 2 number it came, so I written here 2. Once again 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 2, 29, 30, 30. Okay children, got it? So what you should do, this is your answer. No, this 2 you should do addition here. Here we did multiplication, this is multiplication. When this 2, because two tables. We have did two steps. One is from 2 answer tables. See, this is 2 answer tables. This is from, you can do like this also. 7 into 7, 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry 2 sevens are 14, 15. So you got once again 7 into 7 into 4. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30. See this two, 158, 154, 308. So step by step, the next class multiplication, one lesson only it is there. So I'll teach step by step. Now shortly I have taught you. So when you write this now, so here two tables is there. So two steps. So I did separate for 2 answer and 4 answer. So here I will know. So 154 plus 308, 4, 5, 5 in the mind, 8 on my finger after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 3. So you are complete, you got the answer 3234. So copy down this, children. So next I'll teach division. Okay. Next I'll teach division. Division means divide. Division means divide. How will you do? See here, first I'll give 3 divided by 2. Same like multiplication only. So you should learn tables too. So if I give 33 divided by 2 means what will you do? 2. This 3. Okay, so what you should do? You should learn 2 ones are. See here, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So here I have given only 3. So here 3. Here answer is 3. This 2 table, this number. This you should search here. Okay, see. Here 3 it is there. So nearest to 3, you can't write 4. 2 twos are 4. You will write here 2 twos are 4. 3 minus 4. You can't cut. So what you should do? You should go for nearest number. So nearest number means this only. So 2 ones are 2. This straight only you should write minus. In 3 minus 2 1. What you should do here? First you should do for one number. Next you should take it down. Second number, bring down 3. This straight only you should bring. This you should do straight only. So 13. So if you learn tables only, you can do multiplication and division. So see here, 2 ones are 2 nearest number. So before 3 only the number should be. So before 3 can we write 4? So before 3 what it is here? 2. So 2 ones are 2. In 3 1 goes means answer is 3. 2 goes means answer is 1. Bring down. You should put arrow mark, bring down 3. So it become this minus 1 and 3. 13. So nearest number 13 it is there. No. So before 13, can you write 14? 13 afterwards only 14. So before 13 means 12. 12 means this 2 it is here only. Yes, no children? This 2 is here only. 6. 2 6 are 2 6 are 2 6 are 12. If you write this answer only, you will get the marks. So many we won't write 2 2 or 2 6 are 12. Like that directly you will write. No. 2 ones are 2. This table see. Minus 1 brought down 3. So nearest 13 is 12. 2 it is here only 6. 2 6 are see 2 6 are answer 12. So I should do minus. 3 minus 2, 1. This 1 minus 1, 0. So this is remainder. So this is remainder. So next class I'll teach which is dividend, division and quotient, remainder. I'll teach it in the next class. Okay, so I taught you one sum at division. So if you learn tables, you can do sums. Okay, sure. If for 115 your remainder won't come, it will come 0. If I give direct answer, it will come 0 only. So learn all this. So your homework is first only beginning only I have written numbers 801 to 900, 901 to 1000. So this is your homework. Tables I'll give children. I won't write. You are having tables book. So 7 ones are, 8 ones are, and this is and 9 ones are. So tables up to 6 I wrote on the board. So complete this. 7 ones are, 8 ones are, 9 ones are. Complete this and read and come. One time is enough. This also one time. This also one time. One time. Okay, children. So when we inform in the online classes when to do correction, so you should bring your bridge course. I told last year of book only you're writing. Yes, no bridge course. So this and all what I have taught you on the board, write it in the bridge course, complete this homework and all. So I know what I have taught you, what I have given, writing homework and all. So when we inform in the online when to bring for correction, so you should bring all this what I've written on the board, bridge course, you should bring for correction. You should use blue gel pen only, no red pen, no black pen, no green pen, only gel pen. To draw the lines, use pencil, scale. Other and all you should use pen only, children. So complete all this. Practice addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So practice all this. Learn the tables. If you learn the tables only, you can do multiplication and division. So here I'll end my class, children. Thank you.